Today we got a 2019 Civic Si on the dyno. She's got full bolt-ons, so we got intake, intercooler, piping, and the exhaust front to back. She's all done, so let's see how many ponies we can crank out of her. So right now we're just uploading the tune to the car. We've set the race map calibration. It's still a bit on the rich side, so we're going to fine tune it there. Get the AFRs where they should be, 11.5 to 11.8 in that nice sweet spot. And then we can optimize the timing from there and see how much more ponies we can crank out of her. Alright, so the flash is complete, and then we're ready for a dyno test.
So much better, man. Holy fuck.
There you go.
How's the...
Looking mint.
Looking good?
Yeah.
Good stuff.